Hi kids!
Wow!
So many things. Let's open it. One, two, three, four. The first one is omelette. Red color is a frying pan. This is red color. White color is the egg white. And yellow is the yolk. You can say it egg poach also. This is very tasty. Next is a hot dog. Red color, green color and yellow color. Do you like to eat hot dog, kids?
No.
The third one is a dream cake. This is so colorful.
Hiya!
And the last one is a biscuit.
Wow!
Cream biscuit. Blue color and white color. Let's join them again. Do you like them, kids? Kids.
Wow!
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 creatures. The first one is a monkey. It is so cute. The second one is a bear. Third one is a dinosaur. The last one is also a dinosaur. This is theropods. Let's join them again. Green color, white color, light green color, bear, yellow color, light green color,
Wow!
green colored dinosaur,
Hiya!
brown color. Wow, color crayons. Let's open it. So many colors. Black color, blue color, purple color, green color, sky blue color, dark brown color, light green color, brown color, red color, orange color, white color, yellow color. Kids.
Whoa! Wow!
So many playthings. Let's open it. One, two, three, 4, 5. They are so colorful. Do you know the name of this ball? They are also so cute. Let's learn their names. This is a football. You can also separate them. White color, black color. This is a two-wheeler. It has two wheels. Black color wheels. Red color, yellow color. Do you like it, kids? And this is an eye mask. White color, sky blue color. This is volleyball. Yellow color, white color, sky blue color. And the last one is rugby ball. White color, yellow color, brown color. Now join them again, kids. Oh wow! Sea creatures. They all are erasers. Let's open it. Today we will play with it and also learn alphabets, numbers and colors.
Whoa!
1, 2, 3, 4. Sky blue and white, blue and white, green, orange, white, violet. You can also separate their parts. This is a whale shark. This is a seal. This is also a whale shark. This is a dolphin. They are so cute. Let's join them again.
No.
Do you like it, kids? Now keep them aside. Dolphin, whale shark, seal, whale shark.
No.
Let's learn numbers. Pink color pen. This is our first color pen. 1 O-N-E 1. Our second color pen. Blue color pen. 2 T-W-O 2. Our third color pen. Yellow color pen. Next number is 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. Our next color pen is purple. Let's open it. Now we will write 4. F-O-U-R 4. Red color pen. The colors are so nice. Now we will write 5. F-I-V-E 5. Green color pen. Now open it. Let's write the number 6. S-I-X 6. Our next color pen is orange. Do you enjoy it, kids? Now we will write 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Again, blue color pen. Let's open it. Now we will write the number 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. This is yellow color pen. Let's write 9. N-I-N-E 9. And our last color pen is pink. And our last number is 10. Let's write 10. 1. This is very easy. Right, kids? 0. 10. T-E-N 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bye bye, kids. Keep learning and also subscribe to my channel.